So today we are working on this AC unit. What is that? What kind of brand is that? I think it's Bryant. So they say it's not coming on. AC right now, thermostat is on cold, so this is a straight cool. So I just heard some kind of click. Let me see what's going on. If I get a 25 volts, 24 volts, if it's pulling the contactor. So let's see. Okay, this is what I got. The contactor is pulled. Not sure if anything is happening. It's got two thermostats, one for the fan, I guess, and one for the compressor. And this one is 55, and this one is 7.5. So I'm not getting any voltage. Nothing. I'm getting 25 volts. I'm trying to do it with one hand here. Come on, buddy. Okay, I'm getting 25 volts. So this is the disconnect box. So definitely I need to check the breaker. I don't think I'm gonna get any power here either, but let's see. That's my line, so I'm not getting anything here. So unit breaker is 30 amps and it's in off position. I turned it on, but only the fan comes on, so not the compressor. So let's see what's going on with this unit. It's making kind of strange noises, and only the fan is coming on. So it's working on high speed, making weird noises. It's an R22 system. It's 18-year-old. Definitely it's got to get replaced. So there's not much I can do here. So I'll go ahead and check the indoor unit. And I'll check the indoor unit just to see what size is it, because all the labels here are missing, and I'll get you updated. This is what we have inside. We have furnace Goodman, recently replaced, I guess, and carrier coil, 3-ton R22. It's in the attic, so definitely that's gotta get replaced as well. And there's some funky stuff on the vent here. Whoever replaced it doesn't look good. It's gotta get fixed. Something is missing here. So yeah, well, that's it for today, and stay tuned for more videos like those and subscribe.